viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to start our new wallet review that we are already started core wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss about how we can get the backup of our core wallet. Sometimes you misplace your seed phrases and you have installed already core wallet in your browser and you need to recover or restore or reset your password. You must have your seed phrases. So in this video I am giving you complete information how can you get backup of your seed phrases core wallet. So please must watch. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you face any problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, you can just mail to me my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. Okay, and you can also subscribe my other channel for Urdu information, best cryptocurrency wallets, and you can also watch the shorts of my videos from my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start. You can see here right top corner I have installed already many wallets, OK wallets, Binance, Phantom wallet, or MetaMask, Trust wallet, and last one is core wallets. So we have discussed about core wallet. Today we are going to take the backup. Simple click on it. After that you can see here the core wallet main interface is open in front of me. I need to enter my password because when I have create account, so I have applied my strong password for safe scammer or hacker. Going to enter my password here and now click on login option. If my password is correct, then my wallet will be log in front of me, otherwise shown the error. You can see here the main wallet is open in front of me. Basically core wallet we will use for Avalanche C Chain. You can easily deposit on this wallet. If you want to deposit, simple click on receive button, and after that you can see here your wallet address will be shown in front of me. This is the Avalanche C Chain address. You can also scan this QR code for the deposit amount. So if you need to send the money, simple click on send option and you can easily transfer your fund from this wallet to other wallet. The main purpose is today video we are going to download we are going to take the backup of our seed phrases. Simple click on three lines. This is the profile area. Simple click on it. After that you can see here the fifth number option is advanced option. Simple click on it. There's two option of a test net mood and show token without balance. It's depend on you, but I need to just simple find the seed phrases. Simple click on security privacy, and you can see here the third option is available here, show recovery phrases. If you need to take the back of your phrases, so you can use this option. Simple click on it, and then you can see here do not share this phrases with anyone. These words can be used to sell or your account. So if you are going to share your seed phrases to anyone, so your fund will be lost. Okay, keep in your mind, don't share your seed phrases and don't authorize your wallet. Okay, I'm going to enter my password, otherwise I can't recover my wallet. So first I need to enter my password here for the takeoff back of my wallet. And you can also see here if you ever change browser or move computer, you will need this secret recovery phrases to access your account. Save them, safe where, safe and secret. Okay, so I have entered passwords. Going to click on show recovery phrases, and you can see here my secret recovery phrases in front of me, and these phrases of almost 24 words. This is strong for me or also for you and safe from scammer or hacker. Going to copy, open the notepad file for save the the notepad file is open in front of me. I am going to paste here, and now you can see here all phrases I have pasted here. Before going to close my browser, I must cross check my phrases is correct, because if you save your phrases wrongly, so you can't recover your wallet. So going to click on it and check adult. First two or three words you can match, and after that you can save your file. The adult is available here. Prevent side display. I can check one by one, and you can also check one by one. After that, when you verified your phrases is correct 100%, so you can save this file. So I have saved my notepad file, and also I will after this video I will make the multiple copy of these phrases and also save this phrases in my USB drive, or also write in my CD, and also write down in my personal diary, because this phrases is of my amount key. If I have not these phrases, so means I have lost my all funds. So keep in your mind, don't misplace your phrases. If you need to recover your password, if you need to import your fund, so you can use these phrases. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you take the back of your phrases. I have saved my in my notepad file. You can also save in your notepad file. Also must print out your all phrases information. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Walls Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you face the problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, you just comments below this video. I must read your comments and hope I will resolve your problem. Okay, and you must also visit my YouTube channel and go to the playlist area. If I'm going to click on the playlist area, you can see here I have almost 50 to 60 wallets review on this YouTube channel, and big name is available here like Dogecoin, like Core Wallet, or Ethereum, Jax Wallet. Many big name is available here, IOTA or Bitcoin Wallet. This video is very informative for you if you are going to use the Bitcoin Core Wallet. You must watch all videos from this YouTube channel. Okay, and also you can use Dogecoin Wallet. This one Dogecoin chain.info website is closed, but if you have the private key of your wallet, so you can easily use for the import your fund to other wallets. So if you want to this, so you just simple comments below this video. I will make the video about how can you import your Dogecoin wallet to other wallet, or how can you use your private key. Okay, so I hope you properly understand. So see you soon in next video. Bye bye.